Do you have bananas that aren't quite ripe enough for baking? Don't worry, you don't have to wait days for this process to happen. These still have a little bit of green on them, so they're not quite ready for my banana nut muffins just yet. I'm going to show you a quick trick to speed up the process by baking them in a 300-degree oven for about 15 to 30 minutes, depending on how green they are. The peels will turn black and the bananas inside will become soft and perfect for baking. Place the bananas on a rimmed baking sheet and bake them in your preheated 300-degree oven. The bananas are done and those black peels are completely normal. I'll set these on a wire rack to cool for a few minutes. Once they're cool enough to handle, they'll be soft, naturally sweeter, and perfect for baking delicious banana bread, muffins, or other treats. After the bananas have cooled, I make a small cut down the back of the peel. This makes it easy to open them up and scoop that banana right into the bowl. Look how soft they are. This is exactly what we want for making those moist and flavorful banana nut muffins. Now it's time to mash the bananas. A fork works perfectly for this. And because we ripen them in the oven, they're soft, sweet, and mash up in a few seconds. This is exactly the texture we want before adding them to our muffin batter. After preparing the bananas, I use them to make my banana nut muffins. You can see how beautifully they turned out. Soft, moist, and full of that sweet banana flavor. The oven-ripened bananas help create a tender, flavorful muffin every time. That's how I ripen bananas in the oven when they're not quite ready for baking. It's a simple trick and saves time and gives you perfect bananas for your favorite recipes. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more delicious recipes.